So our college is one of the largest AACSB-accredited business schools in the entire United States. We're among the top 20. We have about 8,700 students just in the business school. When I'm teaching classes, we run regressions, we do statistical analysis, and the kind of things that students need to know how to do when they go into consulting. And so they do reports and data analyses for clients. So that's one aspect of hands-on learning. You learn the kind of techniques that you need to know if you're going to go into a consulting firm. But some of the other things that we do are occasionally class projects with real clients. So businesses come to us with problems, and our students work on finding solutions to those problems under the direction of the professors. Our location here in South Florida, in Boca Raton, which is sort of midway between Miami and Palm Beach, this is a very rapidly growing area, and there are lots of businesses here. So high tech, finance, international trade, these are all located here in a beautiful section of the country, but it's a very active business area. So our students can get internships. Sometimes those internships work into full-time employment. And it's a very vibrant, very young area.